Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your laptop over to your TV and fix it if it's not working. So a simple solution is, well, the resolution on your laptop probably isn't the correct to what your TV is. So there's a mismatch causing like a black screen or no signal. Otherwise, this could also be the refresh rate. So I just have it simply connected to the back of my TV with an HDMI cable. So here's my laptop over here. I love this laptop. And it's connected just with an HDMI cable going to the back of my TV. And then I have it in the correct input, input number 1, I believe. So I just have a Fire TV. And if you have a really fancy TV, you probably aren't encountering this issue because it has like 120 hertz for a refresh rate and it has 4K. And you're probably able to just get that resolution and that refresh rate. So on my screen, I want to go to the correct HDMI output. Otherwise, you could try connecting it to like HDMI 3 or 4. I believe some of those slots have a higher refresh rate on the back of your TV. So just look at it. You may not want to connect it to HDMI 1 or 2. So possibly 3 or 4 might have those higher refresh rates. So I know that is the way for gaming, and then I just switched over to it. Now, if you're trying to fix the resolution here, let's just right click on the home screen here, and then go to display settings, and open this up. So here's our display. So you can just see I'm duplicating the display right now. 1 and 2 are both displaying. I want to go on down to the resolution. So here's the display resolution. Maybe just try bumping it down to 1920. Otherwise, it looks like I can go all the way up to 4K now that I have it connected to my TV. So I could do that too. So you could try changing the resolution and then scroll on down. So I'm going to revert the changes. Did it just switch over? I just switched something by accident by scrolling. So let's scroll on down. So if that didn't work, we want to go down to where it says Advanced Display. Go to this, and then you can see this is at 144 hertz. So this is currently working with mine, but we could try bumping down the hertz to 60, and maybe just switching the setting back and forth will go ahead and make it work. So bump it down to 60. Let's do this, and my screen is going dark. Nothing really happened, but I'm going to go ahead and revert the changes here. I want to add 144 hertz. So you could try changing this right here. So your TV might not be able to display 144 hertz or something like that. That could be causing the issue. Maybe your TV is only 60 hertz, so there's a mismatch here. And I don't believe my TV is 144 hertz. I don't think many TVs are. So that's probably not an issue for me. It could just simply be the resolution is a mismatch. Try restarting your computer, restart your TV, unplug all the devices. This initially wasn't working for me, so you could just try the things that I did here. Then you want to press the Windows button P at the same time on your computer, and you can bring open this. And then you should have the option to duplicate it or extend the display. So I believe if you go to PC screen only, this will only be on your computer screen. It won't be on your TV screen at all. Otherwise, you have second screen only. So if I do second screen only, there will be no image on my computer screen now. So this is all black on my computer. I'll show you real quick. So if I scroll on down to my computer, you can see there's no image on there because I only have it displayed over on my computer. So I might do this later on if I'm just playing video games or something like that and have it load up in Steam. So you might have it set to PC only. So you want to hit Windows button P, and then this will pop open. And you should be good to go. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.